Hello! Thank you for purchasing the program. In this video I will show you how you can convert a PDF file into full editable DWG file for CAD. First, what you have to do is to open this PDF in any PDF viewer and to zoom a detail and to show what kind of PDF you try to convert. It is what I am doing now. I choose my print to CAD example 1 and I zoom a detail, for example this one. Now you can see this is a native PDF, and if you see, for example, the text, you can see that text is very smooth. This is an indicator that this PDF contains a native PDF text. I open now another PDF. I zoom a detail, and now you see that everything is very smooth. This is not a native text. This is only a scan of this drawing, and now you convert not a native PDF, you convert only a raster picture in PDF frame. Let me open another PDF file. For example, this file looks like a native PDF, but if you zoom a detail, you can see that this is not a native PDF. This is a bad quality scan. You see, the resolution of the scan is too small if you want to recognize any details. Now with this information, you can start the programs with pre-settings. I will convert the file number 1, and it was a native PDF file, so I choose this pre-settings PDF to DWG conversion. Next step, what we have to do is to choose the file, and then you can view the file again in our internal viewer. This internal viewer has a lot of special features for construction plans. For example, what we can do here, you can select on your screen PDF entities like text, image, path or head. So now I know that my drawing contains text, raster pictures and a lot of paths. What you have to do is to start the analysis, because the analysis tell you more about this drawing too. Now you see we have in this drawing 903 paths. We have no hedges. We have 287 texts and only one image. After the analysis, you can start the program with this button Start. And look what the program is doing with standard settings. After the conversion is completed, you can start our internal viewer for DWG files. This is a very interesting viewer with a lot of features, but the most important feature is, for example, here, view properties. With this view properties, you can select now entities we convert, and we can select these entities regarding layers. But if you want, you can switch here this viewer to entity type mode, and here you can select the entities, the CAD entities we generate, like circle, polyline, line and text. And now you see that, I zoom here at this detail, that these entities will recognize the text. Here under localization you can switch everything else in the color gray if you want. Then you see that here the table is a line and the text here in the table is a polyline. This is not a text, this is a polyline. Why? Because we vectorize this raster picture with the help of an option centerline and outline vectorization. If you start the program in default setting, the program do not offer any automatic optical recognition of text. Why? Because first you have to see the drawing and you see that you have not native text, and you have to see the direction of this text. Now I see that I have in this drawing a horizontal text, what is not a native text. And now, first, I need a special function. This function we will find under Optimization, Text Recognition, and here you can switch on Automatic Optical Character Text Recognition for not native PDF text, but switch it off only if it's needed. In preview, you can see what kind of text we suppose to be a text, and for example the program find out that these symbols can be a text. So now I start the program, start an automatic optical character recognition, and you will see we receive a lot of text. View output, and now zoom a detail, and now you see that we was able to recognize this text in a table as a real text. So next step, what we can do, you can not only view a drawing, you can post-process the DWG too. For example, I switch now off the post-processor, and here you have a lot of options. One of these options is, for example, change colors. If you don't like this magenta colors, for example, you can change it. You can tell, okay, everything what is magenta will be now yellow. And everything what is, for example, white will be now in the color cyan. Okay, start. See, we change the colors. What you can do, you can change layers. For example, add a new rule, and for example I will change color 7 line weight 0, okay, to the layer wall. Start. Now we have another layer with the name wall. What you can do, for example, you can translate something. For example, if you want to translate this kitchen, for example, is the German word Küche, you can do it. Post-processor again, change text, new rule, and here in analysis you will find all of these texts. For example, now I take this text kitchen and I translate this text into the German Küche. Okay? Okay, and start. And if you see, this text is translated. This is everything for beginning. Thank you.